fish on. Oh my God. That feels like a good fish. Anglers worldwide, I'm Jabroni Joe, so you already know I'm back with another show. And in today's video, I am starting my morning off with a nice hot cup of tea before I have to layer up and get out into that winter weather to try and do some fishing today. We are trying out a brand new spinning combo today that I recently picked up, and we're going to go over the specs of that combo before we get on the water. But first things first, I have something to talk to you guys about. I got up this morning and made my tea and then hopped on YouTube like I do most mornings to see if any of my favorite creators have made some new videos since yesterday when I watched the last ones. And I saw the lovely surprise that I had a little spike in subscribers overnight, and I have officially passed over 200 subscribers. I am absolutely blown away by this milestone that I've hit. When I first started this channel, I was really just hoping that I would be able to hit 100 subscribers eventually, that 100 people would care enough to watch these videos. So the fact that I have doubled that number in just under 2 years of being on YouTube is absolutely amazing. I really hope that the growth that I've experienced in this last year, which was way more than the growth I experienced in my first year, will continue, and hopefully we will hit that partnership eventually in the future. But even if I never do, I am still very thankful for all of you that take the time to watch these videos. You guys are awesome.
All right, enough of this gooey show of emotion.
Alrighty guys, it is time to get into this budget combo. Here we have it, anglers. This is an Ozark Trail OTX spinning combo. This was $50 at the local Walmart, and it is a 7-foot, one-piece medium action rod. As most of you are probably aware, Ozark Trail is Walmart's brand of fishing and outdoors products. They've been making camping gear for quite some time, and they recently broke into the fishing market in the last couple years, starting out with some simple hard baits, then moving into soft plastics, and I recently in the last year started seeing all of their various rods and reels combos they've been coming out with. I have to say, for 50 bucks, this caught my eye. I love the patterning that they have here on the handle. You guys know I'm a sucker for a cork handle. I love that it's a one-piece rod combo for 50 bucks. It seems to have a fair bit of backbone to it. I will say it doesn't have as soft as a tip as I would like for a finesse fishing combo, but for the price that you're getting it for, it will definitely work. It is rated for lures 3/16 of an ounce to 5/8 of an ounce. So like I said, a little heavier than I would like, but I still think it will work just fine. It comes with a 3000 size Ozark Trail spinning reel that has a 5.1:1 gear ratio. So that's pretty standard for what I'm looking for in this kind of reel. I definitely think for the money, this rod is going to do everything that I need it to do, and the only thing we can do now is get out on the water and test it out and see. So I'm gonna get bundled up, layered up to get out on the water. I'm gonna get the kayak loaded on the car, and I will just see you guys when we are on the water heading for the fish. See you guys out there. All right, kayak on the water. Man, this is some Silent Hill type crap. I'm heading straight out for the brush pile that's marked with a buoy out here. Going straight deep, see if we can find some big wintertime bass. The upside is that there's no wind today, so boat positioning is not going to be an issue. I'll be able to position the kayak just fine. Don't have to fight the wind. Okay. Here's the new rod and reel combo. Ozark Trail spinning combo. I got a Ned rig rigged up on it. We're gonna find out what this baby can do. This will be my first cast on it. Not bad. Not bad at all. I've got it rigged up with 10-pound mono right now. I need to go shopping and pick up some braid. I ran out of the normal braid that I put on these combos. Fish on. Oh my God. That feels like a good fish. Get my hook ready. Oh, he's pulling. Holy smokes, this is what I've been waiting for. First fish on the new rod, and it feels like a freaking giant. Holy smokes. I haven't even seen it yet. It hasn't come up. Oh my gosh. Oh, whoa. Is that even a bass? Oh no, it looks like I snagged a big ass carp. Whoa, holy smokes. I think I may have snagged a big old carp. Yowza. Well, we know this rod and reel can hold up pretty good. Jesus. Man, thought I had a new PB bass on the line. Oh, son of a bitch. It's a good thing that this rod comes with a 3000 size reel. Stop it. Yeah. Good Lord. Come on, dude, I just want my lure back. Oh, goodness gracious. Oh my gosh. Okay, I got him. Holy God, holy crap. Look at that thing. Big old buffalo. Whew. God almighty. So tempted to keep him. He'd make great cut bait, but oh man. That was wild. I wish it was a bass, but man, that fight was still really fun. I tried targeting these guys before and I never have luck. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at that big old mess of fish, guys. Okay, I'm gonna get him back in the water. I'm gonna let him go. There he goes. Let him go back to the depths. Holy, oh man. That was quite a workout. Okay, so the Ozark Trail spinning rod held up magnificently against that big old carp there. Shit. Is that a fish? That's a fish. Pretty sure that's, I think that's a fish. That's a fish. And this one I think is actually finally a bass. Looks like it. Finally. It's my first wintertime bass in weeks. The patience. It's paid off. Oh, look at that. Beautiful. Not a big guy. He's been eaten. He's chunky in the middle. Excuse me. Here we go. Not a huge fish, but he's chunky in the middle. He's been fattening up for the winter, and that Ned rig got him right in the roof of the mouth. Awesome. Beautiful. On the brand new Walmart brand Ozark Trails rod. That's freaking cool. Alright, let's get this guy back in the water. Oop, he's off already. Fish on. Oh, lots of patience. It's taking lots of patience, but we're getting fish. Man, he is pissed off too. Oh, wow. Oh, he's been caught a couple times. You can see right there. Chunk out of his meat. Going super slow and super small on the baits is the ticket. Ned rig and fish. Whew. That's what's working for me, at least. Another beautiful fish. Let's get him back to the water. Off he goes. Alrighty anglers, that's going to wrap up all of the fishing action for today's video. I only caught a couple of fish, but that is 2 more fish than I have caught in the last month or so. So I will definitely take it, and it is one step closer to figuring out the winter fishing pattern out there at the pit. I am definitely going to be heading out there again, trying more finesse techniques, maybe drop shotting and throwing more Ned rig colors, because that seems to be what is going to land them for me during this winter fishing over the next few weeks out there. I will be hitting some other bodies of water in the next few weeks, returning some of my favorite places that I've been to before, and maybe checking out some new water before the pre-spawn hits in the spring. That way I can get the lay of the land and have a really good chance at getting on some awesome pre-spawn fish come March and April. As far as the OTX combo goes, it will be probably at least a year before I have my full thoughts on it. My review as of right now is that it's definitely a pretty decent combo for the money, but I need to see how it's going to hold up and how it's going to wear and tear over the next year, going in and out of my vehicle and my kayak, if this reel will handle all the various fish I'm going to catch as well as the backbone of the rod, if these guides are going to stay in very good condition, if this cork is going to start cracking. So there's all kinds of things that you have to look out for in a product. Right off the bat, the plastic around here seems like a little bit on the cheap side, so I'm worried about how this reel is going to hold up over the next few months. Especially if I'm out using it really often in crazy conditions, it's getting wet and stuff like that. Is it really going to be durable enough to handle, you know, an everyday fisherman? So only time will tell, and we will touch up on that again in the future. Alrighty guys, that is going to wrap up today's video. I want to thank you all again for helping me reach the milestone that is 200 subscribers. I do hope the channel continues to grow and that you will all continue to support me in my dreams. And the best way that you can do so is by smashing that like button and body slamming a comment down in the comment section. Let me know what you thought of today's action and congratulate me for reaching that 200 subscriber milestone. And as always, if you're not already, you got to super kick subscribe and ring that bell notification so you know every single time Jabroni Joe uploads a new video. I will catch you guys in the next one, and remember, if it ain't Joe, it's gotta go. Angler out!